use the file button to scroll until you get to settings. Then just scroll up and down with this button and click to select. Press down to select. Press down to reset and restart the car. See what's happening now. There you have it. No more interval announcement. You can also disable this interval or just change it. Change the amounts or the miles, kilometers. Now to deactivate it and activate it, it's this small check. And I'm doing this by simply pressing this down. And also let's adjust it. Enter the small button and you can just flip the button up and down to change the digits. Press on it to switch what is we are in Canada, that's why it's kilometers. Right now what I'm doing is to change the digit, you just flip up and down, and to pass to the next digit, press enter. And now to go back in the menu, press the file button when you finished.